VERU stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Is it a buy or not? I'm breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video, and as the only guy in this space with a track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, all documented, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. VERU stock, but I'm gonna be very real with you, this is poor. This is such a poor freaking bro, holy crap, this is going down. What I'll do is just mark up this supply zone. It's not that I'm even gonna sell, because I do have a very big gap down, like up just above it, but it's a bearish market, and if the price pumps up and gives a double break, and it makes sense, that even sell side will make sense as well. Like me randomly selling though, it's just not gonna be happening. So let me know what's your opinion on VERU, and if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, stock picks and all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated. It's only for now, not forever.